Okay guys, so now we have looked at the data frame, we have looked at the rows, we have looked at the columns, we have converted a column into an index. So next what we're going to look at is we want to specifically narrow down in on the categorical column, which is the event column. So let me type here df. So now we are more interested about this column, the event column, and we want to see how this what's the count, for example, how many rain entries do we have, how many sunny entries do we have, and things of that nature. So what we need to do for this is basically just create one variable and then df event dot value counts. So what this will do is it will return the values. So I think there's something wrong with what I've done. Okay, so I think the column name over here is event, and what we wrote is events. So that's the reason we got this error. So this should work. Now what we could do is just simply print this, and now it shows us what's happening over here is in the event column we have 3 sunny entries, 2 for rain, 1 for snow, and 1 for cloudy. So it doesn't show the NA count, alright, but this kind of gives you an idea of the categorical value and the entries that you're working with. We can further enhance this using a visualization tool like Matplotlib or Seaborn, but I'll cover that in a different tutorial, right? So that's it for this recording, and next we'll learn how to one-hot encode these values, the categorical values.